Identifying trends can be a timely, frustrating, and laborious process that requires data manipulation and intimacy of the underlying data. In many companies, this manual process oftentimes relies heavily on Excel and export to Excel, and then analysis is subjective. Business Central with Power BI transforms your company's data into rich visuals for you to collect and organise so you can focus on what matters to you. Rich, deep visualisation enables decision makers to consume data and make good decisions for their business. Data is integrated, and as a result, selecting one element shows the impact across the dataset. Quick Insights is a component of Power BI which provides additional insights based upon trends, historical data, and provides forecasts. The Insights feature is built on a growing set of advanced analytical algorithms developed in conjunction with Microsoft Research. Quick Insights displays cards, which are a result of data analysis. Rather than combing through spreadsheets and graphs, the user can leverage Azure Insights to provide additional context inside of their data. The rich insights and visualization clearly demonstrate how simple and easy it can be to make intelligent decisions. Reports can be exported to a corresponding slide in PowerPoint should you wish to take them offline to share with others. Since the PowerPoint slides are integrated into the online dashboard, the owner easily addresses a question about revenue. They click on the data in PowerPoint and it opens Power BI. Quickly, the owner is able to provide supporting details on revenue, expanding the detail to review quarterly results. If you'd like to know more, please contact us.